Yes, good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start the recapitulation of the previous class, what we have studied. First was the image formation in a convex lens, and the position of the object was at infinity. So here the first position of the object was at infinity, and the image was formed at focus. Similarly, the nature of the image will be real and inverted. Size will be highly diminished or point size, and this case is used when the lens is used either a camera lens or a burning glass. Burning glass matlab कि when you are keeping this lens in sunlight, and whatever the rays which will fall on this convex lens will converge at a single point, and this point, secondary focus, will become very hot, and you can burn even a piece of paper or a matchstick. Second was, now the object is coming closer. So the second position of the object was beyond 2f1, and when the object is beyond 2f1, the image is formed between f2 and 2f2. So two special rays we have taken here. The image is formed between f2 and 2f2, and the nature of the image will be real and inverted, and it will be diminished. Diminished matlab now the size of the image will be bigger, but it will be always smaller than the object. जो भी यहाँ image बनेगा वो ऑब्जेक्ट से छोटा बनेगा, इसीलिए यहाँ पर डिमिनिश्ड लिखा हुआ है. थर्ड केस इज व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट वाज एट 2f1, यानी कि ये तुम्हारा हो गया सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ द लेंस. सो द पोजीशन ऑफ द इमेज विल बी also at 2f1, and the nature of the image will be real and inverted as shown in the figure, and it will be equal to the size of the object. जो object का size होगा and जो image का size होगा, both will be equal. ये एक ही case में possible है when the object is at 2f1. Next is when the object is kept at between f1 and 2f1. In this case, you will see that the image is formed beyond 2f2. The nature was real and inverted, and the size of the image is enlarged. अब ये बड़ा हो गया, मैग्निफाइड हो गया. मैग्निफाइड मतलब now this image is bigger than the object. Next was when the object is at focus. So the image will be formed at infinity, यानी कि very far away from the lens, and the nature will be real and inverted, and the size of the image will be highly enlarged. This is the only case in which the image size of the image is highly enlarged. So here in this figure, the formation of image is not shown because it will be found very far away from it, and it will be much bigger in comparison to the object, highly enlarged. And this is the most important case when the object is between optical center and the primary focus of a convex lens. In this case, you will see that the image is virtual and erect, and it is magnified or enlarged, and it is on the same side of the object but behind it. ये object के हमेशा पीछे बनेगा, ठीक है, on the same side of the lens behind it. और this type of image formation is used while using a convex lens as a reading lens or magnifying lens or a simple microscope. So when you are using this lens as a magnifying lens or in a simple microscope, the object should be always kept between optical center and focus. तभी वो image enlarged बनेगा and virtual and erect बनेगा. Now, formation of image in a concave lens. Here there will be only two figure. The first figure is the position of the object is at infinity. यहाँ पर object हम नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, क्यों? It is very far away from the lens. That is, object is at infinity. And in the last class I told you, when the object is at infinity, the rays of light which is coming from that object can be considered parallel. उसको हम लोग parallel ले लेते हैं, because the object is far away, so the incident ray which is coming from far away, we consider it as parallel. So you will see that when the object is kept at infinity, two parallel incident rays are coming from the object which is located at infinity and falling on the lens. When it is falling on the concave lens, these rays diverge. ये diverge कर गया on both the sides. Now these divergent rays or refracted rays will never actually meet. ये कभी meet नहीं करेगा. Actual meeting इसका कभी नहीं होगा, because both are moving in two different directions. So what we have done? We have produced these refracted rays backward by drawing virtual line. So when they are produced backward, they appear to originate from it. यहाँ meet word use नहीं करेंगे. They appear to originate from a point on the principal axis, which is called as secondary focus of a concave lens. Here F1 is the secondary focus of a concave lens. So here they do not actually meet. यहाँ पर appear करा रहे हैं, so that they diverge from it. Now position of the image is at secondary focus, because here there is apparent meeting. It is not actual meeting, it is apparent meeting. So here virtual and erect image will be formed. यहाँ पर virtual image बनेगा, इसलिए इसको हम लोग virtual focus भी बोलते हैं. And the size of the image will be highly diminished. बहुत ही छोटा, बहुत ही point size image यहाँ पर बन रहा है. So this was the first case. Second case is when the object is kept anywhere between the optical center and infinity. कहीं भी optical center और infinity के बीच कहीं भी object को रख दो, anywhere. यानी कि anywhere means it can be beyond 2f1, it can be at 2f1, it can be between f1 and 2f1, it can be at f1, it can be between optical center and focus, secondary focus, anywhere, kahin bhi. So in that case, you will see that we have taken two incident rays. First, parallel to the principal axis, it appears to originate from focus. Second, incident ray which passes through the optical center. You will see that both the rays appear to meet at this point, and here you will see virtual and erect image is formed. So in this case, what happens? The image will be always formed between the optical center and the secondary focus, and its nature will be virtual and erect, and the size will be diminished. अब point size से थोड़ा सा बड़ा हुआ, लेकिन जो भी बड़ा हुआ, it will be always smaller than the object. अब ये जो तीनों point है, इस चीज को बहुत ही ध्यान से सुनना है. Position of the image, nature of the image and size of the image, ये कभी change नहीं होगा. These 3 points are fixed for concave lens. In concave lens, the image is always formed. इस चीज को ध्यान रखना. Always, the image is always formed between the optical center and the focus, except when the object is kept at infinity. क्योंकि जब infinity में object है तो focus पर बनता है, ठीक है. और बाकी केस में क्या ले लिए हैं? Anywhere between optical center and infinity. तो कहीं भी रखेंगे, the image will be always found between optical center and secondary focus. This concave lens will never form रियल इमेज, ये कभी नहीं बनाएगा रियल इमेज कनकेव लेंस, इट विल ऑलवेज फॉर्म वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट इमेज। और तीसरा है कनकेव लेंस will never produce magnified image or equal to the size of the object, kabhi nahi. The image formed in concave lens will be always diminished, ये हमेशा छोटा होगा in comparison to the object, इसलिए इसका ज्यादा application नहीं है, ज्यादा application तुम्हारा convex lens का आता है. So this was the second case. So I have written here always. When अगर हम इस ऑब्जेक्ट को 2f1 पर डालेंगे देन ऑल्सो द इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड बिटवीन O एंड f1. अगर हम बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट को रखें f1 और 2f1 के बीच में, in that case also the image will be formed between O and f1. If the object is kept at f1, in that case also the object image will be formed between optical center and secondary focus. And if the object is kept between optical center and secondary focus, अगर इस दोनों के बीच भी ऑब्जेक्ट रखते हैं, in that case also the image will be always formed between optical center and secondary focus, लेकिन always in front of the object. ऑब्जेक्ट के हमेशा आगे ही बनेगा, जैसे यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट के आगे ही इमेज बना है, उसी तरह अगर इस ऑब्जेक्ट को हम यहाँ भी रख देंगे between optical center and secondary focus, in that case also the image will be always formed between O and f1 but in front of the object. ऑब्जेक्ट के आगे ही बनेगा, पीछे कभी नहीं. Now uses of lenses. Two lenses we have studied, convex lens and concave lens. तो पहला यूज पढ़ रहे हैं एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कन्वेक्स लेंस. कन्वेक्स लेंस इज यूज्ड एज अ मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास. यह है तुम्हारा मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास. इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड इन कैमरा लेंसेस. इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड इन टेलीस्कोप्स एंड इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड इन आवर आई लेंस. तो हमारा आई लेंस इज आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ convex lens, but it is not made up of glass. It is a jelly like structure which is flexible in nature. ये flexible होता है हमारा eye lens, but its shape is convex. Now use of concave lens. Concave lens is also used in telescopes. It is used in binoculars as well as it is used in spectacles for correcting eye defect. Or eye defect we will study in next chapter, that is human eye. Convex lens is also used to correct eye defect. So concave lens is used to correct myopia and convex lens is used to correct hypermetropia. That we will study in the next chapter. Now difference between the images formed in a convex lens and concave lens. दोनों के बीच डिफरेंस क्या होता है ये हम लोग पढ़ेंगे अभी. First difference is after refraction light rays meet at one point or appear to meet. Convex lens में light rays actually meet करता है after refraction. But in case of concave lens, after refraction, light ray diverge करता है. They appear to diverge or they appear to meet when they are produced backward. The image formed can be real, virtual, enlarged, or diminished based upon the position of the object. Convex lens में हम लोगों ने देखा कि इमेज रियल भी बनता है और वर्चुअल भी बनता है, दोनों. डिमिनिश्ड भी बनता है और इनलार्ज्ड भी बनता है, ठीक है. बट इन केस ऑफ कनकेव लेंस द इमेज इज ऑलवेज वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट एंड इट इज डिमिनिश्ड. ये रियल कभी नहीं बनाएगा. द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ convex lens is always positive and the focal length of concave lens is negative. This we have to study later on. ये अभी नहीं पढ़ना है. Convex lens is used to correct hypermetropia and concave lens is used to study nearsightedness or myopia. Now, there is a question for all of you. This is the question. Complete the ray diagram by taking 3 special rays and write the characteristics of the image formed. ये तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन है. And try to solve this question by using 3 special rays. 3 rays लेना है. All of you unmute your audio.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Have you drawn?
Yes.
Now 3 rays you have to take it. Now see, I am showing you the answer of this. Here the object is kept beyond 2f1, which is in front of convex lens. तो 3 special rays कौन सा लेंगे? See, this is your answer.
Passing through optical density.
This is your answer. The first ray is parallel to the principal axis and it will pass through the focus. ठीक है? The second ray is passing through the optical center and goes undeviated, that is straight. And the third ray we will take, which is passing through the focus, and it will become parallel to the principal axis. We have used the 3 laws here, or 3 rules for the formation of the images in lenses. तीनों rule को हमने यहाँ use किया है. Parallel to the principal axis, passes through the focus, passing through the optical center, goes undeviated, and the third is it passes through the focus, becomes parallel to the principal axis. And here you will see that all the 3 rays actually meet at a point. और ये point कहाँ पर है? Between F and 2F. The image is formed between focus, यानी कि secondary focus, and 2F. And this image, इसका characteristics होगा, position of the image will be F and 2F. Nature will be real and inverted, and the size will be diminished. ये छोटा बनेगा in comparison to the object. So this is your answer for the given question.
I have a doubt.
Yes,
I have a doubt.
yes, you can ask.
So when sir two prisms there and between them sir one slit is kept,